The upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just another tiny, safe update. It is shaping up to be one of the biggest leaps in smartphone history. Rumors are flying everywhere, and the leaks point to a total transformation. Apple is looking at every single detail of the device. They want to change the physical design. They want to upgrade the screen experience. They are planning a massive shift in how the cameras work. There's a lot of ground to cover. Let's take a deep dive into the first section of these amazing changes. Let us start with the physical body and design of the new phone. For many years, phone companies were obsessed with making devices as thin as possible. A thin phone looks very cool when it is resting on a table. But being too thin creates a major problem for the user. A very thin phone does not have enough empty room on the inside. You simply cannot fit a huge battery inside a paper-thin phone. You also cannot put large cooling systems or advanced hardware inside it. According to the most recent reports, Apple is finally changing its strategy. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is actually going to be slightly thicker than the older models. Hearing this might sound strange at first. You might think a thicker phone is a step backward in technology. Most people want lightweight and invisible devices. But making the phone thicker is actually a brilliant move by the engineering team. Making the body thicker solves many daily problems for the user. It gives the designers a lot of extra space inside the metal shell. This extra space is extremely important for one main reason. It means Apple can finally give us a much larger battery cell. Battery anxiety is a real thing. People want their phones to last all day long without needing a charger. We use our phones for everything now. We play games, we watch movies, and we use navigation apps. All of these things drain the battery very quickly. A thicker phone makes a true all-day battery possible. It also leaves room for advanced camera parts that need physical depth to work properly. Now, you might be worried about how this thicker phone will actually feel in your hand. A thicker phone could easily feel heavy, blocky, and uncomfortable. Apple has thought deeply about this issue too. They are completely redesigning the outside frame to fix this exact problem. Right now, some modern phones have very sharp, flat edges. When you hold them tightly for a long time, they feel harsh in your hands. They can even leave red marks on your fingers after a long phone call. Apple is fixing this by changing how the back glass meets the metal frame. The new design will have a very smooth, rounded curve at the edges. The back glass will blend perfectly and softly into the aluminum sides. There will be no sharp edges at all. When you pick up the new device, it will feel incredibly smooth. It will rest perfectly in the palm of your hand. So, even though the phone is a little bit thicker for the battery, it will actually feel much more comfortable to hold. You get the massive battery inside, but the phone will still feel sleek, premium, and friendly on the outside. The outer colors are also getting a massive update this time around. Every year, buyers look forward to the new special color options. It is a big part of choosing a new phone. Apple is planning something very unique and special for this specific generation. The most exciting rumor right now is a brand new dark cherry color finish. This is not just a normal, flat color painted on the back. It is a dynamic glass finish that changes depending on the lighting around you. Imagine sitting inside your living room or office. In normal indoor light, the phone will look very dark. It might look almost pitch black or a very deep, rich brown. It will look very professional, quiet, and stealthy. But then, you walk outside into the bright afternoon sunlight. The intense light hits the back glass, and the color completely transforms before your eyes. It will shine with a bright, vibrant red tone. This makes the phone look incredibly luxurious and alive. It is basically like having two totally different colors on one single device. Along with this stunning dark cherry, we might see the return of a beautiful, clean sky blue option. Of course, the classic professional colors like silver, dark gray, and deep black will still be available for traditional buyers. But these new special finishes will definitely stand out in a crowd. Now let us turn the device over and talk about the front screen. The display area is getting its biggest physical change in years. Think about the top of your current phone screen right now. You have the dynamic island cutout sitting right there in the middle. It holds the selfie camera and all the special sensors needed for face unlock. It is a very cool software feature, but physically, it takes up a lot of valuable screen space. It can get in the way when you're trying to watch a wide video. It blocks a chunk of the screen when you're playing fast games. Apple is finally ready to shrink that black pill down. The complex sensors hidden inside the cutout have been completely redesigned and miniaturized. Because of this new tiny hardware, the new dynamic island will be much smaller. Rumors say it will be up to 35% smaller than the current models we use today. This massive reduction is a huge deal for anyone who loves looking at their screen. A smaller black cutout gives you so much more free space at the top. Your screen will look much cleaner and wider. When you turn your phone sideways to watch a movie in full screen, the cutout will not be nearly as distracting. When you read long articles on a website, the text will flow beautifully across the top of the display. Playing mobile games will feel much more immersive because less of the game world is hidden. You're getting more usable screen space without making the actual phone any bigger in your pocket. This is exactly the kind of smart design upgrade that makes a real difference every single time you wake up your device. However, that is not the only major change happening on the front of the phone. Sitting right inside that brand new, smaller cutout is a completely upgraded selfie camera. For a very long time, Apple has used front cameras with a somewhat low resolution. They were good enough for basic tasks, but they were not truly amazing. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is changing the game entirely. Apple is adding a massive 24-megapixel front sensor to the device. This is a gigantic jump in image quality. More megapixels mean the camera lens can capture much more fine detail. Every single selfie you take will look razor sharp and incredibly clear. If you use your phone for video calls with family, or if you use it for serious work meetings, the people looking at you will notice a massive difference. You will look crystal clear, even if the lighting in your room is not perfect. This powerful new front camera is also getting a big software boost to match the hardware. It will fully support a new and improved version of Center Stage technology. Center Stage is a very clever and useful tool. When you're on a live video call, the camera automatically tracks your face using smart software. If you stand up from your chair and walk across the room, the camera magically follows your movement. It smoothly crops and pans to keep you right in the middle of the screen at all times. You do not have to move or adjust the phone with your hands at all. With the new 24-megapixel sensor, this face tracking will be smoother, sharper, and better than ever before. If you create content for social media, this is an absolute dream come true. You can just set the phone down on a table, start walking around to demonstrate something, and the camera acts like your own personal human camera operator. It is a very simple feature to use, but it completely changes how you record videos and present yourself from the front screen. These changes alone make the first half of this upcoming phone sound absolutely incredible. A slightly thicker design that finally allows for a massive battery. A smooth, curved metal frame that feels perfect and comfortable in the hand. A color-shifting dark cherry glass back that looks like pure luxury. A much larger viewing area on the screen with a tiny, shrunken camera cutout. And a highly detailed, smart front camera that perfectly tracks your every move. These specific updates directly fix the biggest complaints everyday people have had for years. But believe it or not, this is only the beginning of the story. The biggest, most complicated, and most expensive upgrades are happening on the back of the phone and deep inside its core. The main camera system is going to get mechanical parts. The new processor is going to change how fast a phone can think. The way the phone connects to the world is going to change completely. I will now stop here for the first section of the script. Whenever you are ready, let me know, and I will gladly proceed to write the second section covering the massive main camera changes, the incredible new processor, the satellite features, and the serious debate about its new price tag. According to recent reports, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could introduce a variable aperture main camera. That means the lens could physically control how much light enters the sensor, giving you more control in bright conditions, better low-light shots, and potentially much more natural background blur. And then there's the display. Leaks suggest Apple could make the dynamic island smaller by moving some Face ID components underneath the display. It may not be completely gone yet, but Apple could be getting much closer to the full-screen iPhone everyone has been waiting for. The Pro Max could also get a significantly larger battery, while Apple's new C2 modem may improve connectivity and efficiency. And here's the part that could make this upgrade expensive. Some reports suggest Apple could raise the price of the iPhone 18 Pro Max because of the higher cost of the new chip and upgraded hardware. So the real question is simple. Will the iPhone 18 Pro Max be Apple's biggest traditional iPhone upgrade yet? Or will these changes simply make an already expensive phone even more expensive? The official reveal is still ahead, and until Apple confirms everything, these features should be treated as leaks, not guarantees. What if Apple's next iPhone doesn't just get faster, but finally fixes some of the biggest complaints people have had for years? The iPhone 18 Pro Max is getting closer, and the latest leaks are making this one seriously interesting. Apple is reportedly preparing a new A20 Pro chip built on a 2nm process, which could bring a major jump in performance and efficiency. But the biggest surprise may actually be the cameras.